Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Makram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to YouTube channel Data Science for Everyone. Let's get started as we are covering the Excel series. And today's topic is regarding like adjusting or changing the height and width of the column. That is changing width and height of the cells. So let's get started. Everyone asks about this here. Mostly people think about this thing like how I can adjust over here the row or column, and this is how you can do it, guys. I'm just showing out the example over here, shrinking out the data just with this. You can see over here shrinking out the data and overall. Let's get move on. This is how I have shrinked, and then see how the value of over here, it's like it's not adjustable. So what I need to do is just go to the column, what you want to adjust, and you just need to drag and drop over here. See, and then again for the column which you want to be drag and drop, and you want to fit that. Yeah, you want to do this. So on, this is so simple, and you can adjust this. But again, the thing question goes in the mind that what if I have to do to like shortcut of this or something. If you have, yes, you have it. Go into the middle of something on the tab, click on like in the column, yes, the column which you want, then double click it. It will give the perfect size of the column which is better for the data. Just do double click, that's it. You can do double click. If it's okay, that is fine. Check if it's not proper. I'm just double clicking it, it will go proper. That's it. See how things work. It works so great and cool. And now the question remains the same. What if I want multiple columns? Yes, you can do for that too. Adjust, go to the D or E or somewhere, drag and drop a little bit, and leave it. That's it, guys. You can see over here how our data or columns got increased. And if you don't want this much width, if you don't want this much width, you can click over here to go to the D or in between, drag it a little bit, squeeze it. That's it, perfectly. Same with the rows too. Select any rows in between. You can increase the size. It will increase the whole size of the rows. And again, select the same size, like select the rows which you want. Yeah, this all. And then you can do is you can shrink a little bit, and the size of all will be get shrinked, and that will be all equal now. So that's it, guys. You can decrease the size of width of the columns. You can do that. You can do the rows and columns of both height and width. Changing the width and height is possible over here. So that's it in the session, and I will be covering up next along with the topic is related to somewhat same series on changing the data and manipulating the data in Excel. That's it. Have a great day and take care. Bye bye.